Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from TSP15 and today we will explain about how the concept of movement is applied in netball. In netball, when catching the ball, one foot must stay on the ground. And let's see how this action is involved in netball.
Let's look at the demonstration. In physics, the moment of force is a measure of its tendency to cause a body to rotate about a specific point of axis. The formula of moment is moment equal to force times the distance between the tangential force and the pivot. In this case, the foot that stays on the floor acts as the pivot point. Okay, when the player catch the ball, the forces that act in this situation are applied force, which is downward through the center of the body of gravity, and applied force, which is acting horizontally from the ball. We ignore friction. These forces create a moment around the pivot foot. The player adjusts their body to balance the moments and stay stable. If the player lifts the pivot foot, balance is lost and they may fall or break the footwork rule.
Okay, hi. So let me explain a little bit about the moment. So when the player catch the ball, we can see that one foot remains on the ground, which is pivot. So the weight of the body creates a moment about the pivot. The applied force from the ball adds a small extra moment. The player balance this moment by leaning slightly and keeping the pivot foot still. If both feet are lifted, there is no pivot. The player becomes unstable. So, do you guys know why do we need to put only one foot on the ground while the other one does not? So, let me tell you something. Firstly, it is for balance and also stability. Proper foot positioning, it also helps to maintain while we're moving, jumping, or to change their direction to pass the ball to the other players. In Islam, the idea of balance is very important. Allah says in Surah Ar-Rahman verses 7 to 9, A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Was-samaa'a rafa'aha wa wada'al mizan. Alla tataghaw fil mizan. Wa aqimul wazna bil qisti wa la tukhsirul mizan. Sadaqallahul azim. Which means, and he raised the heaven and imposed the balance. Do not transgress within the balance, and establish weight in justice, and do not make deficient the balance. This verse teaches us that mizan, which is balance, is very important and should be maintained in everything, in justice, in action, and even in our body movement. Just like a netball player keep their body balance, we should also keep balance and moderation in our daily life.
Through this activity, we learn that movement is not only a physics concept, but also something that we use in a daily life. In netball, balance of movement helps a player to stay upright and stable. While in Islam, balance helps us to live fairly and harmoniously. In a conclusion, the concept of movement reminds us that every force and action must be balanced so that we don't fall, whether in sports or in life.
That's all from us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.